in stock market, should I be an investor or should I be a trader? Which is more profitable? Is it investing or is it trading? Hi, I am C.A. Rudramurthy, author, trader and trainer, coming with this Rudralogy Financial Series to help you people learn how to invest and trade profitably in stock markets. Today, I see a lot of people having this only one question: should I be an investor or should I be a trader? Now, which is more profitable? Answer is too simple, and I want each one of you to watch this video till the end. An investor is a person who has longer time frame, or generally we say a period of 1 year or more, whereas a trader is someone who wants to profit because of short-term opportunities in market. And when I say trader, his time period will generally be less than 1 year. In fact, within traders, he can be a day trader whose time period is only 1 day. He can also be a swing trader who generally takes less than a week's time when it comes to trading. Or he can also be a positional trader who can be for over a week and for few months. But now the question comes, should I be a trader or an investor? Depends on what is the time period you have, what is the knowledge you have on market, and what is that which suits your requirement. Now, trader always takes higher risk, for which he even expects higher return from market, whereas people who want lower risk, those guys prefer to be investors. But do understand the practical aspects of stock market. You can't have lowest risk and highest return. So if you are not ready to take risk in market, then you have to be a long-term investor, have a larger time frame. However, if you want to make money faster and you are ready to take some risk which is calculated risk, and you are ready to put in time, effort and also smart knowledge, then yes, you can look at being a trader. So trader has higher risk taking capacity, thereby higher expected return. Investor has lower risk taking capacity, thereby his expected returns are also lower. Traders follow technical analysis, investors follow fundamental analysis. And what suits you is very important when it comes to deciding whether should I be a trader or should I be an investor. However, we have lot of successful people as traders. Internationally, people like Jesse Livermore, George Soros, Paul Tudor Jones, these are all people who have made money in crores of crores when it comes to trading. Similarly, even in India, we have lot of renowned traders like Radhakishan Damani, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Nimesh Shah and many more people. Similarly, when it comes to the world of investing, we have people who have made tremendous money like take Warren Buffett, and value investors, many more people whom we can see in our country, again starting with names like Radhakishan Damani, Nimesh Shah, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Madhusudan Kela, Motilal Oswal and many more people. But then the question comes, which is more profitable? And who can explain this much better than the guru of trading and value investing, Mr. Radhakishan Damani. And Damani sir says very clearly, when he was asked a question, which is better, is it trading or is it investing? He said, clearly follow this. Radhakishan Damani made this statement. He said, 95% of all my wealth is made only through investing. I repeat, 95% of all my wealth is done only through investing. Only 5% of my wealth came through trading. Only 5% of my wealth came through trading. But, now very important, but the capital required to earn that 95% of wealth through investing came from trading. Guys, I repeat, but the capital required to invest that 95% wealth which came through investing came through trading. So now each one of you know investing and trading goes hand in hand. When you have small capital, you have no other option but to do trading and generate profits, and through those profits what you generate from trading, you have to make investing in good companies to build your wealth. Trading gives you short-term profit and you can become rich. But to become massive wealthy person, you have to also do good investing in great companies. Yes, Rudralogy Financial Series will give you practical right knowledge on complete stock market learning, and I'm sure this video has given 100% clarity to you on whether trading is good or investing is good, or should we take the benefit of both. If you want similar more videos, I want each one of you to join hands with me to share this great financial literacy among everyone here and make this country called India rich, proud and more knowledgeable. Do share this video everywhere in WhatsApp, Telegram and all possible social media channels. Without fail, hit the bell icon what you have so that you get these type of video notification immediately. Subscribe to this channel of yours without fail, and I'm sure many more videos like this will come absolutely free for you people, for all the commitment what you have. Thanks for watching. See you next with another special video and practical video like this in Rudralogy Financial Series.